it is Thursday, so that means Target day. I am actually out of Target. I stopped at Wendy's really quick because I was feeling kind of like faint. And so, why is it when they give you cheese fries, not only did they not give me a fork, they gave me a spoon? What am I supposed to do with that? Anyways, I spent quite a bit at Target. You'll see when I show you my haul. It is 11:32, so I have time. My sister-in-law is coming into town, so I had to get a few things to, she's going to be staying in Caitlin's room. Caitlin offered, doesn't really want to, but she offered. So I wanted to buy new sheets and new pillows and new towels for her when she showers and stuff like that. So that stuff, you know, all adds up. And it probably would have been cheaper at Walmart, but yeah, I don't know. I just got it at Target. Because after, Caitlin can definitely use it. The sheets and stuff, you know, and so yeah. But anyway, so it was a little bit more. I also got Kayla a birthday outfit. Her birthday is tomorrow. She's going to have a skating birthday party. So I'm hoping what I picked her is okay. You never know with her. I might be returning it. So extremely picky child. And then I got some groceries and stuff. We are pretty much out of snacks, so I didn't really get any of that, but we were out of milk, and Kayla's been enjoying the lactose-free chocolate milk, so I got that, and so you'll see all the things I got. But anyways, stay tuned for those hauls. Okay, I'm back with my Target haul. So this is the outfit that I was talking about that I got her. I definitely wanted to get black. They didn't have it in her size. They only had an extra large, and I felt that would be way too big on her waist. And then I got this pink cardigan with buttons, and she can unbutton it and put like a tank top underneath, or however she wants to layer it, or she might hate both of this. So the shirt was $18 and the skirt was $15. And then I finally got the cats something. They just messed up my couch really bad. It's honestly okay because the couch is horrible. So, but I figured this would be nice. It has like two types of carpet. This one's more softer. It's more like a Berber, I guess, I think is what it's called. And then this one's like a rough material. So yeah. And then this is the sheet set that I bought, which Caitlin actually likes. So she definitely will use once my sister-in-law has left. And then I did get some washcloths. And then I got in a color that like I like. Because obviously I won't mind using it once she's gone. I'm not weird like that. But I did get like a body towel. And then I think this one's like a hair towel basically. And then this is a 4-pack of washcloths. We can always use washcloths. And then, okay, let me carry on. Sorry, I had a phone call. So we have some like black mold going on in the shower from moisture. There's no fan in there, so we want to treat it. And lately we've just been having like the window open, and we had like there was a reason why we had the doors closed. We had a cat that we just had to get rid of because she wouldn't stop like urinating everywhere. So we got rid of her, and now we're able to open the doors again. So it should take care of the problem, but we need to take care of the problem first and kill what's on the walls. It's not much. It's like little bits here and there, but that's why we got the bleach. My son is requesting coconut water now instead of like his other drinks, and I'm okay with that. So I got him those, just a 4-pack. Got 2 1% milks, a thing of paper towels. These are the pillows that I got, 2 of them. Got Kayla's hash browns. I got 2 bouquets of flowers, yellow and orange. Kind of just bring some fall colors into the house. Not like it doesn't have enough. I got some loaded potato skins for like lunch. They only had 1 0 sugar hazelnut, so I just picked up that. And then I did get Kayla some lactose-free chocolate milk. And then I got some fall plates. I thought they were cute with the little mushrooms. 3 packs of pimple patches, 1 for each kid. I got some kitty treats. They are creepy catnip flavor. I think it's like for Halloween. One Acorn Spice hand soap, and I got an apple cider Mrs. Meijer spray. Those were almost running out. Finally got my California Naturals Classic Clean shampoo. This was like a month, and they had like 3 left, even though they said like a week ago they had 6, but they just brought more conditioner. So I finally got that. And then I am out of the Odell clarifying shampoo. 3 mac and cheeses. My mascara is almost dry, so I got another one of the Maybelline. I go through mascara so much. I picked up this Littlest Pet Shop thing for Kayla. It's basically for her birthday tomorrow. Some slow cooker liners, 2 packages of the face wipes. Kayla wanted some tights for like when she wears skirts and stuff. She literally has none. Connor wanted bananas, but they were bad. Like all the I think Target has the worst bananas. So I got him some green grapes. This is really expensive dry shampoo, but I wanted to try this brand, Finery. And I got it in the Not Another Cherry scent. And I got fragrance-free feminine wash. They did not have my soft scrub with bleach. I guess they got rid of it. So I just decided to go with the old, like this can, like I remember from when I was a kid. So, yeah. And then I got Dawn dish soap, Lysol disinfectant spray. That's a spray bottle for the bleach water that we're going to do. I got some more of my strawberry yogurts. It's been a minute. And then I got some of my Nature Valley chocolate chip bars. I got this Revolution blush. The other one I love it. It's like Profusion, but it just goes out so quickly. So I don't know. I was going to try this one. It's in what color? Rosé all day. So I'm hoping it's not too dark. I got a small package of turkey breast for my husband. 1 box of tissues for the vanity. Some K-Pods. And then I got 4 cans of the whole kernel corn and 4 cans of French style beans. 2 jars of spaghetti sauce back there, a family size Honey Nut Cheerio and a family size multigrain Cheerio. And then I got the dark chocolatey peanut butter bars, the 12 pack. So that was $281. Nope, sorry, $381. Yeah, it was quite a bit this time. So, and I'm fully aware of that. But I have to go pick up my daughter from school. Her foot is really hurting her bad, and she's having a hard time walking. So I gotta go, but stay tuned for my other hauls. I'm actually doing a Walmart pickup this time around because we're just so busy with Kayla's birthday party tomorrow, and I'm also doing a Sam's pickup. So yeah, I'm not very happy about doing a Walmart pickup, but it is what it is. So stay tuned for those hauls. All right, I am back from Meijer. I got a little bit of things. I had to go get my daughter's birthday cakes. I will show you. So they're just very simple. Just the buttercream on the side, and then happy 12th birthday, Kayla. She unfortunately sprained her foot, so she's in a boot and can't even roller skate at her own party tonight, but it's okay. It is what it is. I picked up some of this for the upstairs bathroom. I do not know when I'm going to Sam's, so she needed her little bite, so I just got a 10 pack, 10 pack. And then they didn't have like, not the candles I wanted, but Kayla was okay with these. So these light up and then you put a candle on top. So I got that for her. My son picked out 3 Granny Smith apples. Those were like the only ones that were good. I finally found a calendar for 2026 that I liked, so I bought it. They didn't have the smaller size of my creamer, so I just got the big one. No big deal. Picked up 2 of the fat-free Land O'Lakes creamers. I'm going to a football game with my daughter next Wednesday. Yeah, it's just a kid's one, but I wanted to show support, so I bought some cute football earrings. Got 2 stacks for my son, and then 2 bags of butter braids for him as well. And then I got 2 rice-a-ronis, and then 3 pasta-ronis, and they were $1 each. And then we picked up these leggings for her. They're very, very soft. They were only $10, I believe. Oh wait, where's the rest of my stuff? I'm missing something. I'm trying to figure out girls' leggings. Oh, they were $12.99. I have another bag somewhere. Okay, it was in my car, guys. I got a family pack of chicken breast. So that came out to $129.86. So I do have to like change my Walmart cart a little bit around to reflect what I bought, but obviously I still have quite a bit. So, but anyways, hope you enjoyed this little small Meijer haul. Stay tuned for my other hauls. Okay, guys, I have my Walmart delivery. I told you guys I might end up doing that because I'm so busy, and I did. I spent $217.35, and then separately I did buy a mattress twin cover, which was like 20 something. I had that delivered. And then my Sam's I'm picking up later on today, and I think that was like $208. So let me show you what I got. I got a thing of Diet Mountain Dew Zero, the Marzetti Ranch. Yeah, that one's from the cold section. Q-tips. I got some guacamole. Just figured, I don't know, maybe my sister-in-law would, like some when she's here. She probably could make it better herself, but, just thought maybe it'd be nice to have a little snack. Got some bacon for the bacon cheeseburgers we're having tomorrow evening. Some Granny Smith apples. I don't know. They don't have bruises, but they definitely have like brown marks on them. I got a package of chicken breast patties and then a big thing of tilapia. I want to do like pan fried tilapia. I got some corn to go with the bacon cheeseburgers. Got some keto Hawaiian hot dog buns and some keto hamburger buns. I don't know why it's like so blurry. Anyways, figured I could do something with these bag of potatoes, like oven roasted potatoes for dinner one night. 2 bags of the popcorners, white cheddar, and then there's the tortilla chips to go along with the guacamole. I did get, it's leaking. I wish my finger, you can kind of see. Yeah, these are leaking, so I got to put them in a freezer bag before I put it in the freezer. But yeah, there's some kind of leakage here somewhere. I don't know where. Okay, anyways, but I got 2 of the, I think it's like herb chicken breast. And then I did get 2 of my Light and Fit. Yeah, you guys can't see that because it just will not focus. What is going on? Okay, I don't know if that, yeah, that seems to do it. There was something I had pressed on my phone. Anyways, the Light and Fit Greek banana cream yogurt. I got a thing of crispy crinkle fries and then some smiley fries back there. Some sliced mild cheddar for the burgers. Over here, I got a package of those balanced breaks that Caitlin likes to take to work. Pulp-free orange juice, since I bought the wrong stuff the last time. 2 cans of cream of chicken I'm making like pepper chicken. And I got bananas, and unfortunately we already had a thing of bananas, so we're gonna have to eat lots of bananas. I got a package of meatballs so we can have spaghetti meatballs, 4 nectarines, 3 avocados that are actually good and not overly ripe like that one time. I got 2 packages of the pre-sliced honey turkey breast and a thing of Hawaiian bread, some fat-free cream cheese. Hot dogs. I got, I think, 7 bunches of broccoli and some Parmesan cheese. And then the cinnamon pumpkin pie. I think this is the same stuff I had last time. Let me smell it. Yes. I like this stuff. And you don't need a lot on your loofah. Like, it's pretty soapy. But yeah, so I got that again. More Teddy Grahams for Kayla. And then I got some family size reduced fat wheat thins for me and Caitlin. There's the 2 peppers. Eggs. We have a lot of eggs. My husband bought a ton of eggs too, so now we have so much eggs to eat. I got a big thing of the dye-free Bounce dryer sheets. And then I got a cheese Danish. Like, I just don't know what my sister-in-law likes, and so I just kind of like grabbed some like things like, I mean, I totally will have that for breakfast. This reminds me of my parents growing up. So, but yeah, this was all $2.79. I'm going to go put this stuff away and go sleep. I've had a very busy day. My daughter had rehearsals and I was there the whole time. I took headshots of the kids for the program, and then I was taking pictures of rehearsals and videos of them practicing and, you know, learning and stuff. And so, yeah, I was up early, busy, and I just have more to do before my sister-in-law gets here. So, I'm going to take a nap. So, stay tuned for my Sam's Club haul. And hopefully I have this video out before she gets here, because I know the next couple of days are going to be busy. So stay tuned for that next haul. Okay, I am back with my Sam's Club. I spent $219. These were the pathways that I wanted last payday, but was kind of waiting. And so I bought two. Last year I was not able to get these because I think they sold out really quick. So I picked up two. I think they were $24.98 a piece. I got some spring mix salad, some Kerrygold butter. I thought it was out of stock, but apparently not. Got the steak strips that my husband likes for a snack. I got the Sweet Globe grapes and the Just Fair chicken strips. I started getting Halloween candy, so I got this 200 pieces for I think $20. Got the Belvita chocolate sandwiches again. My oldest likes that. And then I got 2 boxes of the Little Bites chocolate chip muffins. The Omeprazole for my husband. This is my son's Quest bars. And I got a 2-pack of the Olay body wash. And I think that was it. How this was $219 is beyond me, but that's what it is. So I will put a total about now, and that is how much I spent for all of my hauls. I think my husband, he spent about $227 at Woodman's, but since I didn't show you, I'm not gonna include that, but you can add it, to the total if you want. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed all my hauls. I'm extremely exhausted, so yeah, I'm gonna post this for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. I have a bunch of videos that I need to do. I just have not had the time to do them. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, please now,